20 people are staying here at this Red Cross shelter in Mundelein. All of them former residents at an apartment building that was impacted by Tuesday night's tornado outbreak.
We're just going to be more vigilant and have to be watching all the time.
Hank Welch with the American Red Cross says the amount of tornadoes recorded in Illinois this February is putting him and other volunteers on their toes for severe weather season.
We've had now 15 tornadoes in February, and what's April going to bring?
10 of those 15 touched down in northern Illinois on Tuesday night, and one touched down in the Quad Cities, causing damage in several communities, including this apartment building near East Orchard Street and Washington Boulevard in Mundelein.
And there was a lot of people that have been there 13, 15, 18 years. They've got a lot of memories there.
The EF1 tornado had a very short path with peak winds of 110 miles per hour. Damage was confined to the two-story apartment building, which has been deemed uninhabitable, displacing 59 people. 20 of those residents now staying here at the Community Presbyterian Church.
Anybody that was affected by that tornado can come in and have a lunch, a dinner, a breakfast, whatever.
120 tornadoes were reported in Illinois last year, nearly triple the number reported in 2022. Welch says if that trend continues into this severe weather season, he expects Red Cross volunteers will be busier than ever.
So there's maybe a lot more work ahead of us for the Red Cross.
As we move into severe weather season, the Red Cross is also warning homeowners to be aware of scammers and to do their research on any contractors offering to help with repairs. In Mundelein, Alyssa Donovan, WGN News.